Matapos ang matinding pasabog, Jam Villanueva may emosyonal na mensahe kay Anthony Jennings. Nagbahagi si Jam Villanueva, ang ex-girlfriend ni Anthony Jennings, ng isang taos-pusong liham sa kanyang Instagram para sa kanyang dating kasintahan. Sa kanyang mensahe, ipinaliwanag ni Jam ang kanilang mga pinagdadaanan sa loob ng halos 7 taon, ang mga alaala na kanilang binuo, at kung paano nila nalampasan ang mga pagsubok na dumaan sa kanilang relasyon. Sa huli, ipinahayag niya ang pagpapakawala at ang desisyon niyang magpatuloy. Michael, for nearly 7 years, I'm so grateful for you being my rock, my best friend, and most especially my partner. The memories we've shared over those years are the ones I will always treasure and remember. I know I've loved you enough to make you feel that way. And I could never think of anyone who would make me feel the way you do. You're my first in so many things, and I'm glad I got to experience them with you. I know we've had our ups and downs, but I also know how much you've taught me through it all. Thank you for being there for me that I never thought I could have, and for that, I'll always be grateful. Happiness was all I ever wanted for you, in our years of living together. I never imagined I'd have to let you go, but I did. So you could grow and find happiness on your own. Sa mga pahayag na ito, makikita ang matinding emosyon at paglalahad ng mga alaala at pagmamahal ni Jam kay Anthony. Bagamat puno ng pasasalamat at pagmamahal, ang liham ay nagsilbing isang simbolo ng kanyang desisyon na magpatuloy sa buhay at payagan ang kanyang ex na maghanap ng kaligayahan ng mag-isa. Tila naging isang hakbang ng pagpapatawad at pag-unawa si Jam sa kabila ng mga pagsubok na kanilang pinagdadaanan sa kanilang relasyon.